Hi everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Forming an LLC can be overwhelming with so many options for online formation services. Each company offers different pricing, included services, and approaches that make picking the right one a little bit challenging. So in this video I'll be comparing the top recommended LLC formation services to reveal the key pros and cons of each one. This video will help you confidently decide which service best fits your specific business needs and budget. So let's dive right in. The first one that we're covering for today is LegalZoom. LegalZoom is one of the most well-known brands in online business formation. They have an easy-to-use website and it's pretty intuitive LLC filing process that makes forming your company straightforward even for total beginners. Some LegalZoom plans include VIP processing that expedites your LLC approval and filing to get your business up and running much faster. The turnaround can be as fast as 1 to 2 days with this premium feature, and their standard turnaround is approximately 15 business days. Another perk is LegalZoom's solid customer service reputation. Their support team has lots of experience assisting customers through LLC setup. This gives you confidence that any issues that you might be getting for your business getting formed can be quickly resolved. LegalZoom also provides a money-back guarantee, which is a rare thing in this kind of space. So if for any reason you end up being unsatisfied, you can request a full refund of your filing fees within 60 days. And this obviously provides a peace of mind as you have nothing to worry about. Now for the downsides, LegalZoom charges extra for a registered agent service, which most top competitors include for free. And their lowest cost registered agent plan is $299 per year. Upgrades are another area where costs can add up. For example, operating agreement templates start at $100 almost, and you'll encounter lots of upsell offers for LLC kits, seals, binders, and other add-ons that quickly increase the overall formation investment. So while customer service earns high marks, LegalZoom's packages themselves come with mixed reviews. So make sure to read the fine print to understand exactly what your plan includes and to avoid surprise add-on costs. Next up, we have Incfile, which we rate as one of the best LLC formation services available today based on included features and transparent pricing. So a major perk is that Incfile makes forming your LLC completely free aside from the state filing fees. The $0 LLC formation cost includes lifetime company alerts and all the basics like preparing and filing your articles of organization. Incfile also provides a registered agent for 1 year at no extra cost, which saves you $100+ typically charged elsewhere. Add stellar customer service and Incfile becomes a bargain while still providing tremendous value. The only potential downside is that an EIN or employer identification number costs extra depending on the plan. For example, their $0 starter plan has EIN fees for $70 to $100, but overall Incfile offers unbeatable pricing. If you want to form your LLC seamlessly with Incfile, then I encourage you to check the link in our description down below so that you can sign up with Incfile and check their amazing service. Moving on, we have ZenBusiness, which is a fantastic budget option for entrepreneurs watching every penny but still wanting superb LLC features and support. Of their 3 packages, we recommend the Pro plan, which only costs additional $200 plus state fees for the first year. This covers all the LLC formation basics like preparation and filing of articles, an operating agreement template, and a lifetime of customer support. ZenBusiness proudly offers a 100% accuracy and satisfaction guarantee. So if anything in your LLC filing or documents is incorrect or you're unsatisfied for any reason, they'll make it right at no additional cost, so you can rest assured when it comes to these things. While the Pro package is affordable, beware that ZenBusiness packages do automatically renew each year. So pay close attention to this as you'll be billed annually to keep your LLC active and compliant. EINs are another item that cost extra, running $99 to $150 depending on your location. Also, note that ZenBusiness does not handle non-profit LLC formations, only standard for-profit LLCs. So if you find ZenBusiness's services great and you'd like to sign up or form an LLC with them, then go ahead and check the link in our description as well. We'll be including it so that you can seamlessly form your LLC and get your business up and running. TaylorBrands is another worthwhile choice if you prioritize excellent customer service. They earn extremely positive reviews from users for providing personal support and advice that leaves customers feeling 100% satisfied. And just like ZenBusiness, TaylorBrands also guarantees 100% accuracy on your LLC formation, and it will fix any errors at their own cost. This eliminates the stress of dealing with the paperwork and filings yourself. In terms of pricing, TaylorBrands offers premium features and service at affordable rate that really undercut competitors. Exact pricing depends on your state and the desired extras, but expect packages around $225 plus state fees on average. On the downside, a custom business domain currently requires their higher priced packages to add on, and they are not officially BBB accredited, though the overwhelmingly glowing reviews are reassuring. And for our last pick for today, we have Northwest Registered Agent, offering a fantastic value LLC service focused on privacy and protection. For $225 plus state fees, you get full LLC formation, a registered agent for 1 year, and a lifetime of company alerts. This provides complete maintenance and compliance support, which is a bargain compared to most competitors. In-house corporate guides provide hands-on personal assistance tailored to you and your new business. A major benefit is that Northwest handles all of your LLC compliance in-house. Client data is never outsourced or sold. You can avoid making your address public thanks to the included registered agent. Downsides are that an operating agreement template is only included on higher price tiers, and you'll pay extra for an EIN number starting at $99. But the privacy focus through the registered agent service plus helpful customer guidance makes Northwest Registered Agent a surprisingly solid choice for your LLC needs. So in summary, while all of the major online LLC formation services have their own advantages, pay close attention to what's included in each package tier to avoid surprise add-on fees down the road. I advise you to read the reviews and to compare them yourself. I hope that this kind of comparison helps provide clarity on the best LLC filing service for your new business. Let me know if you have any other questions, and if you found this video to be informative, then let us know by leaving a like and subscribing so you don't miss out on any future content that we make.